Yeah, so when we're going to South Africa, we saw a group of women. They were looking so good. We had to
yell and
yell.
say, God, what a magnificent creature.
But
Little did we know
that all human beings
don't like bathing.
I thought it was
Rational. But it isn't, honestly.
because how can you
Eat food and not brush your teeth.
that sounds that sounds like
Fucking B though.
Bido.
Yeah.
Bido always comes first, but what comes second?
Women with big lag bomb.
You mean Nash? Nash that comes from
K-pop and King Nature.
Ooh, I'm feeling this in my
Esophagus.